Hello everyone. I hope you have enjoyed my previous videos. Today we are focusing on how to reference tables and figures in our thesis work or project work. We all know that after typing your project, you have to reference the tables and figures. This sometimes poses a challenge to some of us. That is why I'm creating this video to help us. And I know after going through this video carefully, you should be able to reference your tables and figures with ease. So let's kick start. I'm using Microsoft Word 2013. Okay, so you select on this and you choose create a style, so you click on it. So here we customize it, so let's name it my figures. So you modify it, click on modify. So you select paragraph and here you look for caption. Scroll down until you see caption and you select caption. Again, here you select this and you scroll until you see caption. So select caption again. So the formatting, let's choose Times New Roman and let's select 12 as the font. And the color, let's choose automatic, okay, so that it will be black, but we can select any of the colors, but let's choose automatic, right? And here make sure that these two are not unchecked. Do not uncheck them, so you click on OK. So my figure is created, as you can see. So let's create another one called my tables. So you go to the same steps, so you click on create a style. The same process, we go to the same steps. So let's customize it again. So this one, you name it my tables, because the first one was my tables. So you come to modify, select paragraph, you scroll down until you see caption, you select caption. Here the same thing, you look for, scroll down until you see caption, select caption. So here the same thing, New Romans 12, and at this time let's change the color. Okay, let's take yellow and let's maintain this on check. So let's click on OK. Right, so now that we have finished naming them, let's now add. So let's select the tables. So let's assume that this is our table 1 in our thesis work. Okay, so you select you click on tables and you select it. Okay, and this one, let's assume this is our table 2, so you add it to my tables. Right, so you click on this portion wherever you want the figures to be referenced or the tables to be referenced. You click on that portion. So you then come to reference, then you go to insert table of figures. So here you select options, then here you select tables, my tables, because that was the name we gave, my table. Select on that and you click on OK, and here you select, you uncheck this one because we are not going to use hyperlinks, and here caption label, you select none, or you make sure that it is none, then you come to OK. Right, you see that it has been labeled. Okay, it has, the referencing has done. Okay, so let's give a name like list of tables. Right, so we have done with our lists, or we have referenced our tables. So let's come to figures. Okay, let's come to figures. So you select, you come to home, just click on figures, so you assume, let's assume that this is our first figure. So you select it, you add it figure. Okay, so you look for your next figure, which let's say this, let's just assume that this is our second figure. You add it again to the figure. Right, so if you have 100 or 1000 figures, you just select all of them. After selecting, you bring the cursor back again, and then you select reference, then you go to insert, and then you uncheck options, you select options, then you select my figures because that was the name we gave. You click on OK. So make sure that here the hyperlinks is unchecked because we are not using hyperlinks. Right, and the none, make sure that the caption label is none. Okay, then you click on OK. This say no because you are not replacing it, you are referencing the figures, not the table. So you click on no. Right, so it has been created. So let's give this one list of figures. Right, okay, so the color, we can change the color to black, and the italic we can make it normal or we can leave it italic. So that is how to reference tables and figures in your thesis work. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to it and keep supporting. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.